Hey guys, MEKPreme here. Welcome back to another video. I know it's been a while. I guess I've been lazy, but I want to thank everyone so much for 100 subscribers. So for 100 subscribers, I said I'd be doing a giveaway. So for this video, I will be partnering with Space Proxies and be giving away Supreme proxies for Supreme. Space Proxies are the only proxies I use and the ones that I do use in this live cop. They're one of the best proxies you can get nowadays, and I totally recommend entering the giveaway or just checking out their website, which will be in the description. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is subscribe, like this video, and comment done. The winner for this giveaway will be announced in my next video, so remember to turn on the notification bell to see if you won. Anyway, let's get right into the video. So it was TNF week, the North Face, and there was some heat dropping. You got the BALTORO jacket and the mountain jacket. So for this drop, I was going with everything in my lineup: Eve, MEKPreme, and Feather iOS. So 11 a.m. I had 10 tasks running on Eve, 15 on Mek, and 4 on Feather. Only going for the BALTORO and mountain jacket. So the drop happened and it started out kind of slow, site a bit laggy, and then I look at Mek and see that generated cookie and adding to cart, and that got my heart beating. On my Chrome, the site wouldn't even load, probably because I had 3 bots running on my Wi-Fi. So I see my MEKPreme task going to submitting payment, and I see some errors, and I get scared, but then I see that beautiful check email text on the task in green. Can't hear me go crazy, but I do. But then I scroll down to see another checkout, and that was also great. I go over to look at Eve, don't even see the item was picked up, and that's exactly the reason I rented Mek for this drop. As for Feather Mobile, most people didn't cook with the mobile app. Some people did, but as you can see, that didn't really go that well for me. For this drop, Mek destroyed, so did MEKPreme, which is nice to see, and every other bot kind of did the same. Anyway, thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and enter the giveaway for the Space Proxies, and goodbye.